everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. On today's show, I'm going to show you how to turn bacon into candy tasting bacon. If you love bacon, you got to stick around. First thing we're going to do is take a big package of bacon. I like to use the thick cut bacon. And we have maple syrup, and I'm going to use a piece of aluminum foil in the bottom of a roasting pan. I'm going to use my New Wave to cook this, which is basically the same thing as the oven that's in your kitchen. The only difference is, because it's summer, I want to use that. It doesn't heat up the whole condo like the stove does, and it also cooks a little faster because it's smaller. The heat is concentrated in one area. So let's take and start out with a half a pack of bacon. This is what my recipe calls for. And I just take and cut up half the pack, and I just throw it in a Ziploc bag, just like this. And then I just throw it in the refrigerator. Now, I take my bacon, and if you use a spatula like this, it really helps to get it out. Now, if it's real hard, you can throw your bacon in the microwave for a little bit. This spatula works real well, laying out the bacon. Thank you to my mother, who said, use a spatula when you do bacon, long time ago. And I've been doing it that way ever since. See, my mother taught me all the good things like bacon. Everybody loves bacon, but I'll tell you, everybody's going to really love this bacon when you're done. You're going to be a hero. Someday they're going to be sitting around campfires telling stories about you. Oh, they made the best bacon ever. There you go. Now, pretty simple recipe. That's all set. All you have to do next, and this is not keto, by the way. This is for your friends that are coming over that are not diabetic for a holiday or something where you want to use a little pizzazz. You just take some brown sugar, sprinkle some brown sugar over it. And of course, like bacon, more the better, more the merrier. I got a big chunk right in the middle. It's in my way. I just keep a fork in here. You know, one of those like you get somewhere when you go to get a Frosty or something. Sometimes you get like a spork, or it's a spoon and a fork. That's usually what I have in here. But right now I just have a plastic fork. I don't know at what point it got changed. Okay. And of course this, before I put it away, I rinse it. Little maple syrup of some sort, or you could use honey. And you just put this on like this. You should get it on all of them. Sometimes around the edges you might miss. Then we just throw it in the oven. Now I usually cook this about 425 for about 20 minutes and check it. Really doesn't matter how long you cook it, you have to keep an eye on it. If not, you're going to set off the smoke detector and throw it away. So keep an eye on your bacon. We'll see what it looks like in a bit. Everybody, please remember, question of the day, if you like bacon, hit the thumbs up button. Let's see how many people like bacon. Also, don't forget to subscribe. The recipe and instructions, if you hit subscribe, hit the more button, you'll see the instructions. Also, if you want, you could go to my website, which is jamestdds.blogspot.com. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.